I can tell you, Judge, my head is spinning.
Yeah.
I can't even characterize what she was talking about there, but I can tell you this. If I were one of the victims, this would have infuriated me.
Infuriated. I'm infuriated for them, and I'm not a direct victim of this. It disgusts me. This is her focus, and I just cannot get over her self-righteousness.
Yeah, is this mental health? I mean, I don't even know how to classify what we just watched. Let's bring in our guest with us, defense attorney, former prosecutor Bob Bianchi. Maybe you can help us classify what we just saw. I mean, it was just sort of this rambling sort of diatribe about all these different topics, ending, of course, with her beliefs about these warriors in prison, Jesus, Moroni, delivering and becoming warriors. Again, I can't even recite what she talked about.
Yeah, guys, wow. I think what struck me, I'll just go on what struck me because I've seen all kinds of crazy sentences in my career, was her level of articulation is extraordinary. Her intellect, she's very smart. She's a very capable person, but she's completely twisted, distorted, and I mean, I don't know the psychological diagnosis. I'm not a psychiatrist, but there is something deeply, deeply flawed in this particular individual. I mean, I could go point for point. I mean, there's also I'm pretty confident I've heard in religion, especially Christian religion, thou shalt not kill. This is I've said this in the beginning. 7 life sentences. Well, it depends. If you kill 8, then there should be 8, or 9, there should be 9 or 10. She just is doing this because of her need to have attention, whether it's positive attention or negative attention. She wants to be the center of the show. She wants to be the choreographer. That's what this was all about. It was a show trial. And it's interesting to watch because she actually did a pretty good job. I know a lot of people didn't like when I was saying that, but for somebody who's a lay person, I think she did a pretty good job. This wasn't about thinking that she's going to be found not guilty. This is all about making her the center of attention for whatever distorted psychiatric condition she has. This, to me, is reminds me of only one other person. It was a female, too. Defendant that I prosecuted is watch out for her. You may not see the end when she's in prison of another potential violent crime that's committed. This is a disturbed individual.
A disturbed individual. And I said to Michael, you know what? I hope security there is on heightened with her in their jail because I think that she is, indicating that she's going to have followers and she's going to convince at least some of those prisoners, in my opinion, that they are an army of warriors. And who knows what's going to come next.